Hi, my name's Katie Conley, and I'm going to be sharing with you a tool that I found very useful throughout this week's work. I am a kindergarten teacher, and I took this course because I'm interested in incorporating technology use into my classroom with my students. I can say that I've been a little hesitant about Google Classroom just because for 5 and 6 year olds, it's very challenging for them to navigate on a computer or even iPad. So I've been a little hesitant, but throughout this week's work, I feel that at this point in the year in the spring, my kindergarten students would be able to somewhat navigate, especially those leaders, a Google Classroom site. So I'm going to show you something that I have found that I think would be useful for things that I do in my classroom. So to do this, you're going to go to the plus sign and click Create Assignment. In my classroom, each week or every 2 or 3 weeks, we have a new theme. So a theme that we just wrapped up was ocean animals, and my students really enjoyed this. It kind of takes over our science themes when we're not using our science kits, and we've been focusing on different kinds of animals. So I'm going to show you how I would upload a link from YouTube about ocean animals. So my title is going to be Ocean Animals, and the video I have already pulled up on YouTube is about a shark. So my directions to my students would be to watch the video and then draw and write about a fact you learned about sharks. With this assignment and the instructions, each of my students have an ocean animal journal, and there's different pages. So there's like a dolphin page, an octopus page, a fish page, a shark page, whales. So with this, I'm going to attach a video after, sorry, not Google Drive, the link. I'm going to add the link. So I have my video pulled up right here. I'm going to copy, Control C, and then Control V, the link, into here. The due date for this assignment will be the end of the week, so my students will have all week to work on it. And then my topic I'm going to put under oceans for our theme. It's going to go to all of my students. I have the link here, and then I'm going to click Assign. So the way I envision this working for my students is they then will go click on this link and watch it, whether it be on an iPad or on a computer. And then once they have finished watching it, they independently can go back to their seats and write about a fact and draw a picture of a shark in their journal. Again, this is something easy and quick, something that doesn't require a lot of clicking and dragging and navigating around the computer for my kindergarten students. Thanks for watching.